ARB price prediction. In the last ARB video, I gave you this long right here and this long right here. As soon as the shorts closed, and we have a massive amount of shorts closed right here, 10 mil. We entered long and took profit. We also had a short that I mentioned on Twitter, and right now we have two options right here, a long and a short on these areas based on the liquidation values we have. And the only confirmation I would want is a shorts closed on the longs right here, or longs closed on the shorts right here. This is from a short-term perspective. From a long-term perspective, what I'm waiting for on the 4-hour chart is we definitely have some divergence right here, which is not super bullish. I'm not very happy, so more likely to short than long at any point in any pump right here. Obviously, the video is no financial advice. I'm up to 162 grand on meme coins. We're doing very well, and if you want to follow every single trade, especially the meme coin trades, which I'm keeping for my signals chat alone, use the links in the description down below to sign up. If you want to also check out my course, I'll have links for that in the description down below. See you next video. I'm making another ARB update tomorrow. This video is no financial advice.